Hello, in this brief video clip, I'd like to quickly explain to you how to use the finished app zip files that come with the lessons when they're done in the Tiggzi self-training course. So let's just hop right into it. First, you download the zip, of course. All right. Now I'm going to jump over to Tiggzi. I've already logged in. This is the dashboard screen you see when you first log in. So I'm going to hop over to Apps. And instead of just creating a default app, I'm going to go to More Create Options. And then I'm going to choose an option to import this zip file because it's really a backup file. Here we go. And we'll call it. So we don't open it directly. We're importing it, sort of cloning it, and creating a new project based on it. So let's select. All right. And all right. Now I just want to show you a couple of things about the project now that it's been opened using this zip backup file. First of all, you have all the different assets that are part of the project, and one thing that's really useful is that when we do the lessons, a lot of times to save time, we're cutting and pasting whole segments of code. Like for instance, for CSS, we would cut and paste this in. And the same with the JavaScript coding, what we call the JavaScript helper functions. Now, these are by having this option, you can poke around the finished project and look at this coding at your own leisure without being rushed. And you can, of course, cut and paste. There's no direct export from a particular asset file, but it's just text, so you can cut and paste it into other things. And the other useful thing about this is before you even start the lesson, you can click there. You can actually preview the finished app, so you have an idea of where you're going. So let's click here. Yeah. So this is a souped up Twitter search app that you will learn all about in lesson 4. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to save. And then I'm going to go back to the project list. All right. Now, the last thing I just want to show you is this is where the backup comes from. You can take any project that you're working on, any app, and you can back it up and as a file that can be shared with, and then other Tiggzi users can import that into their Tiggzi workspace.